So this is my SaluSpa Bahamas. I've just unboxed, and these are all of the parts that came in the box. So now I'm going to clear this area. I'm going to use padded mats, and I'm gonna put this on the floor so that the tub can go on it. Is it for me? So I've cleared this area so that we can put the tub. Oh, and this is just some mats that I would have bought at Price Mart or something. Oh, and I also got this at Price Mart. I love the color, it's a nice brown. Alright, so I'm gonna line up the pots, pipes around by the heater. Alright, so that's it. So next step, we're gonna inflate it. So let's see from there. Okay, so let's inflate the pool. So we're gonna take this part and screw it into this hole where it says number 1. Alright, and then we're gonna turn this in the opposite direction. Good. And then we're gonna take this part now and bring this here. Oops. This end. And then the power. Alright, so I'm going to inflate this part of the cover, and from what I understand, it helps to keep the tub. That's when you're using the heating, to keep the heat inside. And the reason why I'm making this video is I really appreciated the videos that other persons made that was able to help me to understand. we've inflated the pool. I have not connected the pump to the pool as yet because I'm not going to do the water supply thing. Now this is the chemical dispenser. This is where you'll put your bromine pills, tabs. So this is going just screws on here. And then this other one has a filter in it. The box came with a filter, an extra filter, and there's a filter in here. Just turn this to open if you need to replace it. And screw off. This one didn't really screw off, did it? Stop. So we just screw in the filter, chemical dispenser, and that's it. So this happened a few days later when I finally had my GFCI outlet installed. Alright, it has a reset button or something, right? And I put on the power and I press the bubbles. And this is what we have because I put some chlorine tablets in the chemical dispenser. I could not find bromine tablets in my country. I checked about 2 or 3 places, pool supply stores, and when I used the test strip to test the chemical content of the water, the alkalinity was a bit low, so I put some baking soda. So let's see how that goes. I just stopped it, and I'm gonna try the test strip. So now I'm going to see if I'm getting better readings because the readings that I got before were very poor. And I had to put some baking soda to get the alkalinity up. No, not the alkalinity, yes. And when I put the chlorine tablets, and yes, it's getting a little, I'm getting a better color. So yeah. Alright, so after putting in my baking soda and what else I put in, the chlorine tablets, because everything was off. I wasn't matching up with anything here. This is what happened. So I'm seeing that, well, the hardness is the first one. I don't know what to really do with that. Then we see that the chlorine level is okay. That other one, not so much. I added baking soda and I got the alkalinity up, acceptable range, as well as the pH. So yeah,